we are going to create a nation that has talent, that has opportunities, that creates jobs, and that creates wealth. Congratulations to the achievement that I see in this space. I will be watching keenly to see how that ceremonial dress designed by those young people there. Yeah, I will be watching to see the ceremony, and I wish Kenyans can celebrate the young people who have put this together. We could not ask for more than expect your usual excellent role of being our premium ambassadors as you represent the brand Kenya fully and superbly. And I have no doubt in my mind that we will come back here to celebrate medals and to celebrate your excellence and success. My very best wishes from all of us, the 50 million of us, to you. As you go to Paris, please know that our goodwill, our prayers, our support in every way is right behind you. Many of us may not attend the Olympics. I had been asked by the President of France to attend the Olympics, but unfortunately I will not. But you have my support in every way. We will be right there with you, and I will send a very powerful team to stand with you. And Kenyans will be cheering you from every part of our country, including those who are away. So, asanteni sana. Hiyo maneno mumeniuliza ya kuwapanga vizuri, hiyo nishapatiana instructions kwa huyu Pius. Upange hawa watu wangu vizuri. Sawa. Na asipowapanga vizuri mumshtaki kwangu. Nitajua vile nitamfanya. So otherwise, asanteni sana. God bless you and I wish you well.